constantly evaluate and look at different sectors. And as farms in the US are getting bigger, the equipment needs to be bigger. So we're seeing this rise in this use of telehandlers. The machines are getting more efficient. We're seeing more attachments. Obviously, we are one of the premier telehandler manufacturers in the world. It just makes sense for us to start participating in this ag vertical.
Customer response to our ag products has been really, really positive. And I think we're at the point now where we want to start not only providing and supplying products, but start to build some relationships and some partnerships to even grow and evolve that product or offering in that business even further.
JLG has been designing and producing agriculture telehandlers for many years, largely for the European market. And being able to bring that whole experience to the North American farmers and provide them with a product made in North America is going to be huge.
The biggest benefit of a telehandler over the other farm equipment is the fact that it provides you a forward reach, provides you greater height, provides you greater capacity.
We have a wide range of ag-specific products. Today, we have a range of 4 machines, and that range is going to continue to grow, that we specifically designed to satisfy the needs of the farmer.
At the core of JLG, regardless of whether it's agriculture or construction, the same fundamentals remain. JLG provides a reliable, quality product and solution for their customers, and it doesn't end there. It continues on with the support after the sale, the training, the aftermarket support and service.
JLG has just started to invest specifically in the North American agriculture market, and we have a lot more to come.